Good morning, Ocean. How are you? I hope you are fine today. Let's study together. Open your notebook, page 52. Page 52. Write the beginning sound. Write the beginning sound. What is this? What is this? It's a beginning sound. What? What? E. 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 What is this? Ink. Ink. How to write E? How to write? Stick, dash, and dash. Stick, dash, and dash. What is this? What is this? Iguana. What is this? Iguana. Start with the sound E. E. How to write E? How? This is capital E. How to write? Stick, dash, and dash. How to write a small E? Small stick and dot. Ice cream. Start with the sound E. E. Start with the sound E. E. Write E. Stick, dash, and dash. What is this? What is this? Igloo. E. E. Igloo. Write E. Small stick and dot. Okay, Ocean. Okay. Good job, Ocean. Tap on the capital and lowercase e. Tap on the capital and small e. This is a capital E. No. This is a capital E. Color with the red. Color, capital E with the red. This is small e. This is a small e. E. This is a small e. Color this with the blue. Color with the blue. Okay, Ocean. Tap on the picture whose name beginning with the short E sound. Who? Yes, ink, ink, ink. Who? Glow. Who? Iguana, iguana. And igloo, igloo, igloo. Ink, iguana, igloo. Good job, Ocean.